I don't have a lot of time to make lunch. I'm chasing this guy around. So let me show you a quick, healthy, easy lunch that I like to make. Grab my bread, Trader Joe's organic sprouted wheat multigrain bread. It's healthy, it's delicious, it's like the best tasting bread that I've found. Only 90 calories a slice, half a gram of fat, 3 grams of fiber, 4 grams of protein, only 2 grams of sugar. I mean, this is the healthiest, best tasting bread that I've found. So I just take a couple of slices of this and throw it in the broiler, toast it up. Next, peanut butter. I use powdered peanut butter. It saves a ton of calories, a ton of fat, and I love peanut butter. But if you compare this to regular peanut butter, 1 scoop gives you like 2 tablespoons. That's the standard size of serving size of peanut butter. There's 76 servings in a container. Only 50 calories, 1 gram of fat, 7 grams of protein, 1 gram of sugar, 2 grams of fiber, 0 sodium, 0 cholesterol, 0 saturated fat. Compare that to this, 180 calories, 15 grams of fat, 2.5 grams of saturated fat, 7 grams of carbs, 65 milligrams of sodium. This stuff's so much better for you. Throw it in my smoothies, throw it in my Greek yogurt. It's only 20 bucks for this big tub. You want to lose weight, you want to count your calories down, but you love peanut butter, grab the powdered peanut butter, a lot better. All you do with this, grab a bowl, put in a scoop, and add a touch of water or a touch of milk, mix it together until it looks like peanut butter. This guy's running around all day, climbing the steps, climbing down the steps, climbing the couch. I don't have time. This is my go-to lunch with this guy. Bread's toasted. Touch of milk. Mix that up. You could add salt, a little bit of honey, a little bit of sugar, but I'll show you what I add on the sandwich. That's it. Can I just put the milk away, dude? Please? Thanks. Watch out. Watch your head. Grab the bread. Peanut butter. Salt. And I'll take a banana. Slice that. Probably like half. Give the other half to this guy. Banana on the peanut butter. A little cinnamon. And a little honey. Powdered peanut butter, honey, cinnamon, banana, toasted multigrain toast. Quick, easy lunch.